Hello traders, welcome to my YouTube channel Agile Trading. So now let me show you today's date and time. So today is 11th of November 2020 and currently time is 9:34 am. So coming on to our today's trade. Today we are having ITC and we have traded in it. And traders, today my view is for the buy side in ITC, and I have traded with 90 quantities for the buying side, and this is our trade which is going on. So currently price is spending time near our cost price, and this is our target traders, and here is our stop loss. So let us place it in the system. So our target is 183.10. So 183.10, and our stop loss here is 179.75. So 179.75. Okay traders, so we have now placed our target and our stop loss. Okay traders, so this is our today's trade, and currently as you can see here, the price is now trying to go against our setup. So no problem, we have placed our stop loss as well as our target. And also traders, you can see our today's risk reward ratio is 1.58. so let's see what happens. So traders, now I'm pausing the video, and when it will show a good momentum or hit our target or stop loss, then I will update you. So traders, here is a quick update that our stop loss got survived, and just by a few points only, some paise only. So what here we get understand by this is that our stop loss was placed at good level, but according to me it was required to be some lower a bit more. But okay, our stop loss has been survived, and now currently price is spending some time near our cost price only. Okay traders, so this was a quick update, and I will update you after some time when it will hit our target. So traders, here you can see that first price gone near our target, but it didn't gone that much high and reversed from there. Then again it came to our cost price and again reversed there, and now it is currently spending time near our cost price. Okay trader, so what I am thinking here, that I should trail my stop loss till this swing low, so that we should not get a now loss. So traders, now I am trailing my stop loss till here. So modifying it. Okay, it's taking some time, but okay, we have modified our order. And traders, now we will wait for our stop loss or target to get triggered, and we have also trailed our stop loss. Let me do it again. So now we are protected to get from a huge loss. Okay traders, so our order has been modified, and here you can see. So this is it traders. If it is now coming more downside, we are booking our loss with a small loss, because we don't want to take a huge loss, so we are ready to accept this small loss. Okay traders, so it is now coming near to our stop loss also. Okay, we are ready to give stop loss, no problem. as you can see here traders, the price action which is now it is making. Okay traders, so stop loss has been triggered, so no problem. So traders, our trade stop loss was got hit. Now first calculate our today's loss. So here's the calculator, and our total stop loss points were 0.25 paisa. So 0.25 and the quantities was 90. So our today's total loss is 22.5 rupees. So traders, now let us come on to our today's learning. So traders, you can see that how price paired. First it gone near our target. Okay traders, then again it came downside. You can see half of the profit we can book. We were getting the opportunity but we didn't book. So traders, from today we are learning that market, being a trader, it's not just about our setup or the strategy which we are using. It is mostly that it is about trading psychology, that are trading stop loss and the setting up of target and all these things. So traders, what we can also do today is that we can trail our stop loss to our cost price, but we didn't did this thing also. But the positive thing which we did today is that we booked a loss which was very small, and that's okay. Tomorrow or day after tomorrow we will cover that small loss. There is no problem with us, and also being a trader we have to accept these small losses. The thing which we are doing trader is that we are protecting our capital, which is the main thing we have to do. If we are saving our capital, then only we will be able to trade tomorrow. So this was the logic for booking just a small loss, and we are saving up capital for our future trades, and then when we will get profit, these small loss will be covered very easily. So traders, this was our today's trading video. Hope you learned something from this and enjoyed it. So thank you for watching the video and have a good day.